Hey first graders, I found some letter cards in my basement. So we are going to do a letter sound review like we do in class. I'm going to show you a letter card. Your job is to say the sound that the letter makes. Remember, when we talk about fluency, we want you to be able to do these as fast as you can, as fast as you know your name. So I'll hold up the letter, you say the sound. Pay attention because I'm not going slow. Wrong side. How'd you do? I am sure that you guys did just fine because you guys know those letter sounds, but it's always good to practice. I'm going to post a few more videos today, so stay tuned.